Hey guys, it's your girl Whitney, and welcome to Price Chopper's Fresh Dish Foodie. So in today's segment, we are going to be making a loaded tachos. You got it. Nachos with a twist. We're going to use tater tots instead of chips. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need 1 bag, 32 ounce of frozen tater tots. We're gonna do 7 ounces of pork sausage and chorizo sausage. I'm gonna mix the two together. 12 ounces of processed cheese. I have 1 can of black beans drained. We also have 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. 1 tomato here that I have chopped up. And then we have about 1/3 cup of green onion. Sliced jalapenos, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and some cilantro that I'm going to garnish on top. I like to use a chorizo because you don't have to add any additional spices or salt in that recipe. For the vegetarian lovers out there, you could just simply use black beans. Cut up some diced onion, cook it in a skillet with a little olive oil on the beans, throw in some taco seasoning, and you're good to go. We're going to put our tater tots in an ungreased 9x13 baking sheet. We're gonna put them in the oven for 40 minutes on 425. So now we're gonna cook our meat mixture. I have it on medium-high heat. And you just wanna cook it until there's no longer any pink. And you wanna chop it up as you go along. All right, this is just about done. Now it's time for the good stuff. Let's go ahead and get our cheese into our pot. You're gonna cook this uncovered. I'm gonna add in my can of undrained diced tomatoes and green chilies. And we're just gonna cook this on medium. Be sure to watch it because this cheese will burn. So you wanna constantly stir. Are y'all ready to get this party started? Okay, let's load these taters up. Here comes some liquid gold. You're gonna put this back into the oven, uncovered, for 10 minutes. Let's finish this up. We're almost done. Let's just load everything on top and let's dig in. Look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? All right, we're ready to go. You're ready to plate it up. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen on Fresh Dish Foodie. I'm sure I'll see you around Price Chopper. Later, taters.